Welcome to The Click. This is Operating Systems Explained. Let's start with the definition. What is an operating system? The operating system, or OS, is the software that manages the computer's hardware, such as CPU and RAM, and allows the computer to run programs. Without an operating system, the computer cannot be used normally. So I only read the paragraph, but what is an operating system in simple terms? Well, operating system just helps your computer operate. It is there. It is a software that if it's not there, your computer will give you an error and you will face a big error and nothing is going to happen. So it's basically the foundational software of your computer that runs everything and does everything, every single foundational thing. The types are, first of all, we have Windows, right? I am using Windows right now. The past version is Linux, and I don't know why a penguin is the logo, but it's very cute. And we have Mac as well, which is modern, and it's used in Apple computers and Mac. Okay, the first operating system, its name was GMNNA-IO, which as you can see was the size of a room, not quietly that large, but it was very big, and it couldn't do anything. It just could only run one program at a time. So if you wanted to, for example, join a meeting with Google Meet and at the same time have a Word tab open and you wanted to share your screen, you could not do that. You only could join Google Meet, and you even could not join Google Meet. That is very improved, and that is why this operating system was the first and the starting point. The stages of operating systems. Operating, it means that you know how they operate. Well, the CPU starts first and runs the BIOS or UEFI. The modern computers use UEFI normally, and BIOS is the older version. And at the same time, it means, you know, the system of hardware and software. So it's basically run at the beginning, then BIOS initializes the RAM and checks the hardware with the help of device drivers, which we learned about in the previous lessons, and it then loads the operating system into RAM. So yeah, with the help of RAM and CPU, the operating system gets loaded, and once the operating system starts itself, it initializes the file system, the memory management, the scheduler, the other services that make the whole process organized and making the computer ready to use. And with that, we are done. Thank you very much for being with me. Sources page.